and here you can see it is providing us all the content, and also you can make sure I have disconnected my internet. So it is completely loading from the local model which we have downloaded, right? So from that particular model it is providing us all the information. So isn't it exciting? Welcome back. So in this vlog we are going to discuss on how we are going to use the AI in the most easiest and safest way possible going forward. So here I have a question before going forward. You might be well familiar with AI and already utilizing AI through tools like ChatGPT. This comes under the cloud AI. And what if I say you can use the AI even through local way, like in your own laptop? Stay tuned till the end of this vlog and I will clearly guide you how you can do so. What if I say you can run AI like ChatGPT on your own laptop, and that too you don't need any API key, it's 100% local, and even you don't even require internet. Yes, all these things are possible, and even within 5 minutes I will be providing you your own AI tool that you can utilize in your own machine. So why late? Have your own one now.